Welcome
Hey everyone,
to Riz
welcome
English
back
Channel.
to Riz English Channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and part of your everyday life. I'm Riz, and with me today is Zoe.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Riz. I'm so happy to be here again. I love these conversations.
Me too, Zoe. You know, today's topic is one that many people will love.
Oh, what's the topic?
Have you ever been on a bus and thought, I wish I could use this time to learn English?
Oh, yes, so many times. Sometimes I sit on the bus and just scroll on my phone, but I think I could be learning something now.
Exactly. That's today's topic, how to learn English on the bus.
Nice! That's such a cool idea, because everyone takes the bus sometimes, to work, to school, or just around town.
Right. And it's actually one of the best times to practice English. You're sitting, you have your earphones, and you have a few quiet minutes. Perfect time to learn.
Yeah, that makes sense. But how can I really learn English on the bus, Riz?
Great question. Let's talk about it step by step. First, listening is your best friend on the bus. You can listen to English podcasts, like this one.
Of course, that's easy and fun.
Exactly. When you listen to something simple in English every day, even for 10 minutes, your brain gets used to the rhythm of English. You learn naturally, without even trying too hard.
That's so true. I remember when I started listening to English songs on the bus. At first, I didn't understand much, but after some time, I began catching words and phrases.
Yes, music is a great way too. You can listen to English songs and try to understand one new word every day.
Maybe I can make a game out of it, like one song, one new word.
That's a great idea. You can even keep a small notebook or use your phone to write down the new words you hear.
Okay, so listening is step one. What's next?
Step 2 is speaking. Yes, even on the bus.
Speaking on the bus? That sounds funny.
I don't mean shouting or talking loudly, but you can whisper the words you hear or repeat them quietly in your head.
Oh, like if I hear you say, "How are you today?" I can repeat softly, "How are you today?"
Exactly. You can also practice short sentences from your day. For example, when the bus stops, say in your mind, I'm getting off the bus. When someone sits next to you, think, she's sitting beside me.
That's clever. So I can describe what's happening around me in English, like a little game in my head.
Yes, Zoe, that's how you make English part of your daily life.
Okay, let's give our listeners a quick practice moment.
Good idea. All right, listeners, wherever you are, maybe you're on the bus right now, repeat after us. Ready?
Ready?
I am sitting on the bus.
I am sitting on the bus.
The bus is moving.
The bus is moving.
I am listening to English.
I am listening to English.
Great job, everyone. See, simple sentences can help your English grow every day.
That was fun. I like practicing short, real-life phrases.
Me too. And remember, even small practice counts. 5 minutes a day is better than nothing.
That's true. Sometimes people think, I don't have time to study, but everyone has 5 minutes on the bus.
Exactly. You can turn that boring bus ride into your English classroom.
I love that. The bus becomes a classroom.
Yes. Let's share another idea. Reading.
Reading on the bus? That's possible too.
Totally. You can read short English texts like news headlines, short stories, or English subtitles on social media videos.
I like reading short posts in English. They're easy to finish before my stop comes.
That's a great tip. And here's something fun. If you see signs or posters in English while traveling, try to read and understand them.
Oh, I've done that before. I saw a sign that said, "Keep the door closed," and I learned the word keep that day.
Perfect example. Real life is full of English if you just look for it.
So let me recap. On the bus, I can 1. Listen to English, 2. Think or whisper in English, and 3. Read short English texts.
Brilliant, Zoe. That's the bus learning trio.
I like that name.
And the most important thing, do it regularly. Every day, just a few minutes. Consistency is key.
That's true. I think small habits make big changes.
Exactly. Let's give our listeners a small challenge.
Oh, I love challenges. What is it?
For the next 7 days, every time you ride the bus, use that time to learn English. Listen, read, or think in English.
That's a great idea. Listeners, are you ready? You can do it.
And if you do, you'll see big improvement in your listening and speaking very soon.
I believe it. You just have to make English part of your life.
Yes, Zoe, learning English is not about studying hard. It's about staying connected with the language every day.
I like that. So no stress, just small, fun practice moments.
Exactly. And remember, you can also replay this episode while you're on the bus.
Yes, that's the easiest way to practice.
So, listeners, if you enjoyed today's lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel.
And tell your friends who are also learning English to join us. The more, the merrier.
That's right. Together, we can make English learning simple, fun, and part of your daily life, even on the bus.
Thank you all for listening. Keep smiling, keep learning, and we'll see you next time.
See you soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.
To keep learning English the smart way.